Picture this. It is the end of the day and you have another email that you have to send out to parents because, this or that happened and you need to notify them of what happened. Let me help save you by using an email template. I'm going to be sharing with you some email templates that I purchased so you can purchase email templates, somebody that's already written emails for you. I don't know about you, but I'm just not good at writing emails, especially when I'm in the moment or when I'm tired after a long day at school. I just want somebody else to tell me what to write. So email templates are here to save you. And so the first step is that I purchased these email templates, and I'll put a link for them down in the description below. But basically it gives you a starting point, and then you change it to be in your own voice and what happened or what you need to tell parents, and then you end up sending it out. Now, I'm gonna take it even a step further, and I'm gonna save you even more time. Now, we are going to use, if you have Google, I'm gonna show you how to set up all these email templates already in your Google account. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm opening up my email templates that I purchased earlier, and there are all different kinds of templates, which are so awesome. And we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to turn them into a template for you on Google email. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your settings button, and then you're going to go see all settings, and then you're going to go to your advanced button, and you're going to see the word templates, and you're going to enable this, and then you're going to save your changes. And now we're ready to create a template. So we're going to go into our templates again. As you can see, I'm actually going to change the font to this Century Gothic because earlier when I was copying and pasting it in, it was really crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and change it. And then we are just going to paste it into our email, and I'm going to go ahead and fix a little bit of the spacing issues to be a little bit more user-friendly for whenever I want to use it. Next up, we're going to click on these three dots down at the bottom, and then we're going to scroll up to the word templates. From there, we are going to actually save this draft as a new template, and then we are going to enter the name. Make sure you enter something that is really memorable for you so that you can easily find it later. And now I'm going to show you how this is saved as a new template. So if I go to compose, I can go down to my three dots, go to my templates, and I can pick that template that I just saved, and it pops in immediately. This is great because now all you have to do is input the information and include some details, and it is ready to hit send to parents. Did you fall in love with email templates yet? I know I have, and I can't wait to have them all set up and ready to use. Now, you definitely don't have to have purchased email templates. You could even sit and write up your own emails, and then whenever you need one, there it is, and it's easy to pull up. If you are interested in wondering if you can do this in a different provider, go ahead and leave that down below, and I can look it up for you and maybe make another video for you later on how to do that. I really hope this helps save you time in all the emailing that you have to do, and I look forward to seeing you next Sunday.